This is the kitchen of the house of uh, Dok Young-yun. As you can see, there are iron pots and that were used to cook rice. Beside the iron pots, there is a hourglass-like looking pot. This pot was used to make alcohol called soju. It was made out of rice or sweet potatoes. This type of alcohol was used in ancestor rites or partying. Is also a bowl over there. This bowl was used to scoop rice or water. These bowls are actually made out of half-split gowns. Gowns are fruits that are found in Korea. There is also a straw tool inside the kitchen. This straw tool was called chori. It was used to remove the impurities from the rice and water. The people bought these jori in the night before the new year, and they tried to buy it as fast as they can because it was believed that the most fast person to buy the jori will get the most luck. The reason people believed that these jori will bring luck was because it was used to remove the impurities from the rice, and they will also get rid of bad luck and only bring good luck. There is also a straw rope inside the kitchen. If you watched some Korean dramas, you might have watched scenes where women are carrying pots over their heads. If they just carry the pot with their hands, they will be too heavy, so they put it on their heads. But if they just put their pots on their heads, it will be too painful and the pot can slip over too. So they put these ropes between the head and the pots to prevent the pot from collapsing and to make it less painful. There is also garage. In this garage, there is a palanquin. These palanquins were used to transport people. This palanquin is called the four-man palanquin. It was used in weddings, and it was used by the bride when going to the house of the groom. The groom used a horse to go to his house. The bride's palanquin also had a lot of decorations, such as tiger skin on the roof of it. There were other palanquins too, like the chohon, which was used by high-ranking officials. This is a picture of the palanquin that was used by the king. It was pulled by horses, but it was carried by men too. When two palanquins met in the same road, they will fight over each other that they should move out of the road so they can so they can move the palanquin. Sometimes they even fought with the palanquins, trying to break each other's palanquins. This turned into a folk game where the students from the village school tried to break each other's palanquins. This is the folk game, but they just used straw boats instead of palanquins because it was too expensive to use palanquins. It was believed that the winning team would pass through the exam to be a civil official, so everyone tried their hard. Let's move to the next spot.